Hello, birdies. Hi, Mr. Miyagi. I'm back again to another music reaction to you, sir. Russians. I do like me some Russians. I believe she's a Russian singer. Her name is Bianca. I think that's her name. I haven't seen her in a while. I discovered her. Well, not discovered. I came across her a couple years ago on YouTube, and I was like, how is she doing? I think she released something a while ago, but I was like, oh, I love Bianca, and I believe she was a Russian female singer. Beautiful voice. I love her. Gorgeous. Bad bitch. But this is Trenchtown in memory of the iconic and great Bob Marley from my country, Jamaica. So this is just being audio. I'm not gonna do the video because I don't have time being blocked by YouTube. So give it to me, sir. Yes. Woman not cry.
Reggae music.
Can it be quite successfully outside Jamaica?
Well, you see, where I feel about it can be copied, you know, but it's not copied, it's the feel.
That is so true.
You know, it carry a feel.
That is so true. I kind of separated myself from reggae and reggae in general, but dancehall, I keep up with dancehall as much as I can as possible. But I keep myself separated. That's my own fault, because growing up when I was younger, I could sing every song on the radio like this, like this, like this. I don't know what happened, but it is true though. There's a lot of people you can copy the reggae style and dancehall style if you want to, but to sing a reggae and a dancehall song in Jamaica, it is a feeling. You have to have that feeling. If a true Jamaican can sit there and vibe to your music, it's not like over here in America when we have hip hop and stuff, like anyone could jump into that genre. Not everyone could necessarily jump into R&B and reggae, because if you don't have that feeling, Jamaicans alone would let your ass know, like, that ain't cutting it. And as I said before in my first video, they yes, it's most people say, you know, they're, you know, taken from our reggae or Jamaican style of music, but it sounds like something we play in the radio in Jamaica, and I think he has it. So that's a very true statement to that. I'm gonna give him Bob Marley that.
Where
I need some Hennessy and apple juice because I'm not getting drunk enough.
them know it, but them can't do it.
Exactly, they know it, but they can't do it. Period.
My calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
Yes, he did die of cancer. And what makes it so much better too, this person knows his stuff, you know, and like I said, Russia, they love them some reggae music. Trenchtown. I like that. I'm not understanding fully what they're saying fully. Obviously, I will go behind, but after I'm done here and do my translate Google translation of what the words mean, hopefully give me the correct terminology and wording to the song. But one thing I would say is very good, easy to follow. It's very soothing to the ears, and soothing to the ears mean it's very good to listen to. This will be a song that people will vibe to. This can be a song where people will vibe to, and like I said before in the beginning, when Bob Marley, songs like Bob Marley who said it, that everybody could copy it, but when it comes to dancehall and reggae, there's a feeling to it. There's I don't know how to explain it really, but if you're not into reggae or dancehall, but there is a feeling to it, and they really do have it. It's like I wouldn't say, "Oh my God, they're stealing our music." I was like, no, they're giving us a good representation to our music. And throughout this video, this is pure history, basically giving us a hint of idea that he knows what genre of music this is, and he knows what he's doing. So, what else I can say? Trenchtown, in Jamaica. I'm from Spanish Town Parish. Beautiful, beautiful.
When we used to sit in the government yard in Trenchtown, and then Georgie would make the firelight as it was logwood burning through the night.
It's so funny that you think of someone as Bob Marley, and I've said this before that there's these other celebrities and stuff sold millions of records more than him, but because someone not more than him, but the reason why I brought up that name, Bob Marley, yes, he doesn't have that multi-million dollars, copies of album, but his impact to music goes beyond #1 singles and how much albums you can sell. So, and I always tell people that who I would come across or talk to, if you really think with someone getting a #1 song right now, or their song went diamond or triple platinum now, but 2, 3 years, 20 years down the line, people's like, oh yeah, it was good then. Good music is timing. So thanks for that. And I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you, I do not know. I'm a Jamaican born and raised. I don't know Bob Marley discography like that, because I love reggae, but for me I tend to listen to more dancehall. I like that booty shaking, that cussing, and but I do know him. He's very respected in my family, so, and they love Bob Marley. So I want to say thanks for that. And I will say it over and over again, I've seen a lot of Russians over there screaming and hollering when it comes to reggae music, so I don't know what to say. And over that side of the world is very big for my culture. When it comes to Jamaica, they're very accepting to my culture. So good job, Mr. Miyagi. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to you as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.